time to clear the polytunnel of the cucumbers, or at least most of the cucumbers. There's still loads on them, but I'm going to basically remove the majority of these plants, might leave one or two, but that's going to then open it up so I can start thinking about what to go in them for overwintering. So I'll have to get myself a truck to put all these into, and I'll show you what I'm doing in a little while. There's still quite a few cucumbers left on these. A lot of them are ready. This one's the White Wonder. Although some of them are a bit scrawny, they'll still come off and I'll take the plant out. It's held in with these little clips at the bottom, which basically anchor the cable onto the stem. I can just unclip them and unclip there and pull these off. A little bit of fiddle at times, but and then I can just pull this vein out. That's one vein ready to go into the compost. This vein here is actually from a plant over there. It's sort of like snuck in along the back, so I have to do that in bits. I can tell that because it's orange. That's the Puna Kira. Very productive that has been, and they're actually not too bad. Because this one can come out, it's done nothing. In fact, it just rotted away at the bottom, so that one out. So this is the Puna Kira branch, so I'll just hack this off. So look at this. So I've got this one which isn't quite ready, another one there, another one there. So I'm going to leave this one in. But I will take this cucumber with us. And I'll move on to the next plant. Just throwing up loads of new stems for the side shoots, but I don't want any of them, so I'll just take it out. So the cucumbers are ready. Got a bunch of tiny little ones on. the branch coming from the next plant along. I'll just start hacking that one back as I get to it. Another Pudakira. And another one. And another one. A lot of vein on that one, and I tried to put it back every time I could, but it outpaces you. That's just all one plant. Another Pudakira. That's quite a rampant plant. Quite productive as well. The next one, well, that's actually got the trombone coming through. I'll make sure it hasn't got any fruit attached to this block of it. Nope. This back of it. So that is quite a bit of plant off just a few cucumbers. And these were very, very prolific. Didn't actually count how many I got, but I know I've got at least 24 pounds. So now I'll have to clear this lot and take it to the compost. Well, that's made a bit of a difference. Like I said, I've left this in because it's got a few more on it, and I figured, well, let it grow and see if I get much more. But this is today's haul of cucumbers, which is a decent size, quite heavy. Quite a few there, and well, that's a good light to these onions. These are Welsh onions. They should hopefully fatten up so I can use them as spring onions through the winter, now that there's a bit late getting to them. This is me melons. Not doing too good. There's a few little melons on here. Let's see if I can find them. They're all out of shot, but there's a lot of little baby ones that aren't going to come to anything. I'm going to hack back a lot of this foliage so that there's only the ones that may have a chance. I doubt I'll get anything because, well, this is the size of them here. I know it's a Minnesota midget, but I doubt they'll come to anything in the next few weeks. But I'll give it a chance. I'll take off all the side shoots and all these extra flowers and small fruits. And just leave the ones that may have a chance. Oops, I took one off by accident there. Never mind, let's have a look what it's like. Yeah, nowhere near ripe. Hopefully that's just bitter because it's immature. If not, then, well, it's going to be a waste. So I've taken off a lot of the side shoots and there's about a dozen fruits on there. As I said, I really don't have much hope of them actually ripening and getting sweet. The one I tasted was bitter. Just one. So hopefully they will ripen by the first frosts, which is in about a month's time. And that'll give us a taste of melons. But if not, well, that's life. This is the shaft of one of my trombone squashes. And I'm really chuffed the way it's coming on, because when I hold my wrist up to it, oh, can you see that? It's about the thickness of my wrist. And of course, this area has no seeds in it. All the seeds are way down the bottom in that bulbous bit. So that still has flesh in that you can eat, but it means that the shaft is all going to be just flesh, and that's going to be a nice winter treat. And that's the fattest one. The others are still quite decent. I'm on about these again because I'm chuffed with them. You know, so yep, they seem to be doing okay. Just got to wait for them to ripen.